Ahead of the 2025 MXGP season, we have a second rider announced for the Ducati factory team, and that would be 22-year-old Mattia Guadagnini. I'm sorry if I butcher that last name. Again, I'm going to say it forever. I'm horrible with it, but that's fine. He previously rode for Red Bull KTM, Gask, and Husqvarna most recently, and he has been announced he's going to be the second rider alongside Jeremy Seawer in the factory supported ride of Ducati. Obviously, I'm assuming you'll probably see some fill-in wildcard rides from Cairoli, but these are going to be the two guys who are going to be your championship, or at least, the hopeful championship contenders for Ducati. And they have let's see here, this is from Burb. Uh, so I'm reading all this from them, and this is cool. I mean, this shows that they're really trying. I mean, obviously, if you're signing a second rider already, you're not just going to have that one person, kind of out by themselves. You're going to have more data, you're going to have more feedback, more development. And if this works, it's going to be really good. I'm excited for this because, this is the start of them moving over. This is the start of what next year they're doing MXGP, and then 26 they're going to be doing. Um, Bringing it over to the US for, I'm assuming, Supercross, motocross, and the whole playoff system. And this is a big thing. Uh, this is a lot of money that they're putting into this. They've already won a national title in the Italian championship. So it's not like some little thing that they're just kind of, we're going to put our toes in the water. No, they're going full force into this and building, obviously, a competitive bike, siding two or one, now two competitive riders. These aren't guys that are privateers. They're taking off the bottom end. These are guys they're taking from factory squads. Then, it looks like they're definitely going to be going for a push. Like, at least in my mind, this is what it looks like. And I'm excited about this. More teams, more money, more factory support, more riders get better rides. You should have more competition or better competition, however you want to say it. And I'm just super excited for this. But this is where I leave you guys. Comments down below. Are you excited for MXGP? Are you going to watch it if you're an American fan? Have you watched it before? How do you think Guadagnini does? How do you think Seawer does? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.